The purpose of my website is to promote a sports camp that offers football, soccer, basketball, baseball, volleyball, and physical fitness to children, teens, and adults. That's my target audience. My web page is formatted in a two-column layout. I chose red, black, and blue as far as colors because of the sports teams I supported, and the pictures went very well with the background. Each absolute link connects to the page of the team that I have on the page. So that was football, soccer, and once you click the link, it will direct you to Atlanta United's website. And it's the Atlanta Braves. And I chose these teams because they are the home team. Atlanta Hawks. And up under each picture, um, my list tells what each sport does entails, how it's played, whether it's contact, minimum contact, high contact, how exciting it is. And so you see my background colors on my web page kind of coincide with the links and the pictures on the page. And when you click on the links, the background colors of the actual web pages of the team. Here's the contact detail for the web page. If you would like to send an email, the email link is active. And here you can send the email. And it actually sent the email. And my stores page. The store page is a list of sporting goods stores and their locations where you can purchase gear and equipment for the specific sport of your choice, and the ratings, the location, and the company name. On the contact page, this is the page for you to join our community to receive emails on upcoming activities. Or if you have a specific question or concern, it can be left in the comment box and submitted, and someone will get back to you. And submit. And clicking on the links, as you can see, they go straight back to the home page. And I click the home button. And so the difficulties with my web page was what I found the most difficult is once I wrote a code, entered a code that once I went to check the validation of it wouldn't pass. So then I found myself having to take it out, try to figure out where to put it, how to organize it, what wasn't closed, how it's supposed to begin. So I think that's the most difficult part of web development for me. And those were a lot of the challenges I faced as far as inserting um, specific links, and then the syntax was wrong, and then the validation went past. And so this is my website for the Sports Academy.